This is a video to show you how to create or upload PowerPoint and then add voiceovers in VoiceThread. So what you have here is just my test slide. I created it in Google Sheets, but you'll see it also works. You can see there's just 3 little slides that are not really, kind of important. And this was to show you how to do a video inside Google Slides. But again, this works also with anything, Google Slides or PowerPoint. So I've got this, and then I'm just going to, I've created it. Maybe I'll add another slide and say something interesting or not. Nothing to say here. Say here, okay? And then so when I'm ready, the easiest way to do this is to actually then download it. And if you download it, I find that the easiest thing is to download it as a PDF document. This seems to work really well. You can also notice that you can also download it as a PowerPoint, but it works really well as a PDF document and bringing a PDF document into VoiceThread. So I'm going to download this, and you'll notice that it saves to my default location. I'm going to leave that alone for now. And then I've already pulled up VoiceThread here. Okay, so this is my personal page. And if I click this open in a new tab, it will open in my VoiceThread page. Okay? And it just opens in a larger window, and I find it easier to work with. So I'm going to create a new VoiceThread. And it'll ask you to add media. And the easiest way to do this, you could either click on this and then browse your computer, etc., or you could even add by URL. But since I know where this file is, I'm just going to drag that PDF and drop it. And it'll ask you to give it a title. And I'll call it Sample PowerPoint VoiceThread, or Instructions. How's that? Instructions. And you could give it a description. Sample PowerPoint for VoiceThread presentation. Okay. You could enter a tag. I'm going to leave, the playback options and cover art. I'm just going to leave the playback options default. I'm not going to choose a cover art. I'll just let it choose to be the first slide. I click Save. There we go. And now, okay, you could add comments, and then so you could add media. Adding media means you want to add something, additional slides. You notice that each one of my slides has become a single image. Comment. And so it'll pull up my first slide here. And then if I want to add something, so I'll say, if I want to add a voiceover to it, I can do this. Okay. I'm going to choose to add record an audio. And I can also record a video comment. And if I record a video comment, and you can see that it creates this image of me on the side, and it'll be talking. So right now I'm creating a screencast of creating a video, and you see that there's a runner that says how many seconds I've been talking, and then if I say stop recording, it'll give you uploading. And it'll be talking. So right now I'm creating a screencast of creating a video. And you see that there's a runner that says how many seconds I've been talking. And then if I say stop recording, I'm just going to click Save that. Okay. If you don't want to have yourself on the screen, okay, it's going to save. It'll take a minute. And then so when people run to get to the first slide, they can actually watch this video, and I'll be speaking at the same time. Now, if I don't want to do a video like that, I'm going to go to the next slide. This time I'm going to add audio, just audio. And so I'll just click this button. And here I am recording audio associated with this slide. This is Module 1, Overview and Agenda. I like the list of modules listed like this. I'm going to just stop the recording, and you'll see it's uploading. I'm just going to click Save. And that's all there is to adding voiceovers in a PowerPoint presentation. The easiest is that in fact, the PowerPoint presentation has been turned into a PDF. Okay? So let's say I'm done now, and I go, OK. I just click Close, and then I should be Share and Return to Group. I want to make sure I'm going to allow others to either view and comment or not. I'm going to let them view and comment and submit and share with my modules. My modules it just so happens that that's group where my modules, my own personal modules, are stored. Yours are probably stored under just your student names. If I return to the group, click Home, and there's my new slide. And if I click on this, there's my video. Okay. And you can see that it creates this image of me. Okay. And the second slide, just a comment. And here I am recording audio associated with this slide. Okay. And that's all there is to it.